Are you looking for the top 5 generators for your food truck? Everyone thinks the best-selling generator for food trucks is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Westinghouse 12500 Dual Fuel Generator. First up is the Westinghouse 12500 watt dual fuel generator. This beast caught my eye because it's powered by both gasoline and propane, which gives you flexibility depending on what's available. Honestly, if you want reliable power for your food truck, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 9500 running watts and 12500 peak watts on gasoline, you can run multiple appliances without breaking a sweat. That means your fryer, grill, and fridge can all operate simultaneously, which is critical for your busy service times. Plus, it has a remote start feature, so you don't have to run outside to switch it on when it's cold or raining. Now, some people complained about its weight at 210 pounds, which can be a hassle when moving it around. But here's the thing, that weight translates to durability. This generator is built to last, and once it's set up, you won't have to worry about it for a long time. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your food truck business and need dependable power. Skip this one if you're looking for product number 2, Mobile Food Truck with Generator. Next, we have this mobile food truck with an integrated generator, priced at $24,108. It's a big investment, but what caught my attention is how it's designed for high-volume street food operations. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution, this might be worth a serious look. The dual-zone storage system and multifunctional cooking surface are impressive. You can cook, prepare, and store food efficiently, which is essential when serving lots of customers at festivals or busy street corners. Plus, its customizable layouts mean you can tailor it to fit your unique menu and workflow. This level of efficiency can seriously enhance your serving speed and operational fluidity. However, some might find the price tag a bit steep. Here's the thing though. If you're serious about launching a food business, this setup offers a quick return on investment because you have everything you need to start cooking right away, no additional equipment required. This is perfect for food entrepreneurs who want a ready-to-go solution. Skip this one if you're just looking to dabble in food vending. Product number 3, Fully Equipped Food Truck. The third option is another fully equipped food truck, priced at $13,331.50. This one stood out because it comes with a fryer, grill, griddle, refrigerator, and even a generator, which means you can literally plug it in and start cooking right away. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup, this is worth a serious look. You get a complete kitchen configuration, so you don't have to worry about sourcing individual equipment. This means you can focus on your food rather than the logistics of setting up. It's designed for adaptability too, catering to various commercial environments, from festivals to sporting events, which is essential for maximizing your sales potential. That said, some users might find the features a bit overwhelming if they're just starting out. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, this is an incredible setup, especially for those who want to jump into the food business quickly without additional procurement costs. This is perfect for those who want to hit the ground running in the food industry. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or already have some of the necessary equipment. Product number 4, Generac Charge Enhancer. Next on the list is the Generac Charge Enhancer, priced at $99.95. This small but mighty device caught my eye because it can boost your Generac GB1000 or GB2000 portable power station's charging speed by up to 25%. Honestly, if you rely on portable power for your food truck, this is worth a serious look. The faster charging means less downtime, which is critical when you're on the go. If you're at a busy market and need to recharge quickly between serving customers, this little gadget can keep your operations running smoothly. It's also lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry wherever you go. Now, some customers have mentioned that it only works with specific Generac models, which can be limiting. But here's the thing, if you already own a compatible power station, this enhances its performance significantly and is a worthwhile addition. This is perfect for food trucks that utilize portable power stations for cooking. Skip this one if you don't own a Generac power station, or if you... Product number 5, Duramax XP 13000 EH Generator. Finally, we have the Duramax XP 13000 EH dual fuel generator. This powerhouse offers 13,000 watts of power, making it suitable for whole home backup and food trucks alike. It caught my attention because it provides flexibility with both gasoline and propane options. If you want reliable, consistent power for all your cooking needs, this is worth a serious look. With a push-button start and a variety of outlets, this generator makes it easy to power your food truck's appliances. The heavy-duty metal frame ensures it can withstand the wear and tear of outdoor events, which is exactly what you need when you're hustling at a festival. However, some users have pointed out that it's on the heavier side at 234 pounds. But let's be honest, that weight adds to its durability and power capacity. Once it's set up, you won't need to worry about it failing on you during service. This is perfect for food truck owners who need dependable power for busy events.
So, to recap, we started with the Westinghouse 12500 dual fuel generator, which is fantastic for those who want flexibility. Next up was the mobile food truck with an integrated generator, ideal for a comprehensive startup solution. We then covered the fully equipped food truck for a ready-to-cook experience. After that, we discussed the Generac Charge Enhancer, perfect for enhancing portable power efficiency. Finally, the Duramax XP 13000 EH offers robust power for serious food truck operations. Each option has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose wisely.